Okay, the great storm of December. We got 24 inches of snow. Yesterday, of course, I'm the only one crazy enough in the family to go out in the snow and feed the birds, which I just did. I dug the heated bird bath out of the snow. It was buried way down, and then I put snow in it to melt into water. Anyway, here's how the outdoor kitty house now looks like an igloo. All the snow on it, and can't even see the hot tub. You see how high the snow's piled up on the chairs and table, and down here, luckily there's like a gap between the house or the door and the snow that fell. That way the kitties can able to get in and out. Anyway, through this sunflower seed here, hopefully the kitties will enjoy, well, I know they will, enjoy watching the birds, and so it feed her full of snow. Anyway, Curry, hope you enjoy that, Curry. Be very glad that you are an indoor kitty cat. Wow, at least those feeders are full. Okay, Curry Burry. Hey, Curry. What do you think of that, Curry? I said, be glad you're inside. Oh, little titmice. Okay, well, crazy woman signing off for now.